2026 is starting with 3 massive dramas, 3 totally different genres, 3 exciting stories, and honestly, all 3 look like guaranteed hits. We have a retro undercover comedy with the Queen Park Shin-hye, a powerful time-slip legal thriller led by the legend Ji-suk, and a heart-melting small-town romance starring Ahn Bo-hyun. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will be adding all 3 to your watch list. So grab your snacks, settle in, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump right into our first drama. Our first drama is Undercover Miss Hong, and honestly, this is the retro office chaos I didn't know I needed. Set in the late 1990s, this comedy captures the era where female employees were simply called Miss, no names, no identity. But little do they know, one of those Misses is actually an elite undercover agent. Park Shin-hye plays Hong Jeong-bo, a top-level securities supervisor who is forced to go undercover as a 20-year-old rookie employee. Her mission? Investigate suspicious financial transactions, blend into an office full of quirky co-workers, survive the craziness of 90s workplace culture. In the trailer, we see Park Shin-hye with short bob hair, rosy cheeks, and that perfect retro uniform, looking like the cutest 20-year-old rookie ever. But behind that innocent smile is a woman who can expose the entire system. This drama promises humor, office politics, retro aesthetic, a badass female lead living a double life, and honestly, Park Shin-hye in undercover mode? I'm sold. Now let's talk about the drama I'm personally most excited for. Because this one stars my absolute favorite K-drama actor, Ji-suk. And let me say this clearly. No one can beat Ji-suk's versatility. No one. His acting range, his intensity, his eyes, he doesn't even need words to express emotion. He never disappoints. Every role becomes unforgettable when Ji-suk takes it. In this drama, Ji-suk plays Lee Ha-young, a corrupt judge who has lost himself to power, money, and political pressure. He's basically a puppet for a massive law firm until something shocking happens. One day, boom, he is thrown 10 years back in time, into his younger self. Now he has a second chance. A chance to fix his mistakes. A chance to fight evil instead of serving it. A chance to choose justice. This is not just a thriller, it's a deep character journey. Ji-suk said he chose the role because it asks a meaningful question. What does it really mean to make the right choice? Why this drama is special? Ji-suk plus time slip plus courtroom intensity. A redemption arc filled with guilt, growth, and power. Strong emotional axis, Ji-suk's specialty. Chemistry with Park Hee-soon and Won Jin-ah. Dark, gripping and deeply satisfying. And Park Hee-soon as the ambitious antagonist? That rivalry is going to be fire. Mark my words. This drama will be one of the most talked about shows of 2026. After all the courts, corruption, and undercover missions. Let's take a breath and travel to the peaceful countryside. Spring fever is warming up everyone's hearts, even before the premiere. Lee Jo-bin plays Yoo-bom, a cold, emotionally closed-off teacher who moves from Seoul to the small town of Sinsu after facing personal heartbreak. She wants peace. She wants silence. She wants zero drama. But of course, drama finds her. Enter Ahn Bo-hyun as Seon Jae-gyu, the loud, chaotic, troublemaking village hero with a tattoo, huge muscles, and the softest heart on the planet. He raises his nephew. Runs JK Power Energy. Lifts trees casually. speaks in a Busan dialect. Falls for her instantly. This is the classic romantic comedy we all love. Cold woman times warm man. Walls times persistence. Healing times humor. Sparks times slow burn. Their chemistry in the stills is already incredible. He charges forward with confidence. She pushes him away with iron walls. And we know exactly where this is going. An Bo Hyun looks like he's giving one of his best performances yet, bold, manly, sweet, and unforgettable. And that wraps up the 3 must-watch January 2026 K-dramas. Which one are you most excited for? The undercover retro comedy? Ji-suk's powerful time-slip thriller? Or the healing small-town romance? For me, honestly, I'm excited for all 3. But Ji-suk's comeback has my whole heart. His acting is on another level and this role feels like it was written just for him. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment your favorite upcoming drama and subscribe for more K-drama updates every single week.